It does not say that hot Zion Williamson should Minnesota rebuild shirt religious freedom shall only be infringed. It does not establish any exception for hot Zion Williamson should Minnesota rebuild shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. So we should just hot Zion Williamson should Minnesota rebuild shirts shred the Constitution and adopt Saudi Arabia's approach to religious freedom. I thought conservatives. Other products, craftsmanship and ethical production standards. The design features a playful, cute she's crafty heart graphic, blending cuteness with a touch of artistic flair. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or simply relaxing at home, this t-shirt is a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Its unisex fit makes it suitable for everyone, and the timeless design ensures it never goes out of style. Cute she's crafty heart t-shirt, tank top,